Alright guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repair. Don't Sylvia over there mocking me. Can you dig it? Alright, check it out guys. Behind me, I got a 2007 Lexus LS460. And the customer's complaint is that she's driving down the road, the steering wheel shakes, and she hears noise like a dut. So what I'm going to do before we even begin getting into the video, I'm going to go test this for a test drive, take it for a test drive, and when I come back, we're going to figure out what's going on. Today on Astral Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com. Alright guys, I took it for a ride, and what I felt like something coming from right up here in the front. So what I did was, I jacked it up with my hydraulic jack. And what's very important, especially when you want to check out front end components, you want to take a jack stand and put it right up under the lower control arm. And then lower the vehicle down slowly onto that jack stand. Because what you're doing is taking off all the pressure of the suspension. So when we go to check it, like I'm about to do, you're going to find out what the problem is if there's a problem in there. Now let me take the camera and I'm going to show you exactly what I mean here. And as you can see, the jack... Oh, wait a minute, that's blurry. Wait a minute. Let me go the other way. Alright, there we go. You see I got it right up under the lower control arm, and I let the jack down some, so all the pressure now is on that jack stand. So, when you get it like that, guys, the first thing you want to do, and make sure it's on a jack stand and make sure it's secure before you do this. Also, if you're going to jack it up, make sure you're on concrete. And if you're not on concrete, get a nice 2x10 piece of wood and put it up under the jack stand to have a base. So the first thing you want to do is grab your hand from the bottom and the top. And you want to shake the wheel like this. And you want to see if you feel any play. No, none at all. The next thing you want to do is grab side to side, 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock, and shake it like this. None at all. I thought I felt something, but actually I heard that, and this is very good when you're diagnosed, so you got to pay attention to this. I heard the steering wheel going back and forth as I was doing that. So it wasn't play, this thing was actually solid. So now I got an issue here. The brakes looks like they're pretty good. So you know what I'm gonna do, guys? Just in case sometimes you can get in these tires you can tell the meat on these tires are like really, they're like brand new tires here. But you can get a bad tire, or if your tire is bald, you can get a bubble or something in your tire, which will cause that same noise also. So what I'm going to do now is, I'm going to turn the wheel the other way so you can see it better. And what we're going to do is we're going to grab the wheel like this and we're going to spin it. And we're going to be watching this wheel and see if it bubbles or anything. Huh?
I have a comment.
Okay.
She had the tires rotated and it stayed in the same spot. The problem.
Well then. that saves us some time. That saves us some time. So it's not the tire. Alright, but anyway, what you would do is take the tire and you... Wait a minute.
I feel some scrubbing.
You heard that noise?
Mm-hmm.
Alright guys, watch this again and get a close up right around here. And let's spin this again. You're going to hear like metal noise rattling around or something. And it sounds like right here. Now our caliper is back here. Want to make sure you got a backing plate back here. Let me get a light so you can see inside here. Be right back. Alright guys, what you're looking at is between the wheel and that big metal piece right here, that's the rotor. You can see me moving along back there. Now in back of that is called a backing plate. Now even if that backing plate was touching that rotor, it might make a little noise, but it wouldn't cause a shimmy. But I want to make sure, and it's not, dang it, it's not messing it up or touching it. So I'm going to take a pry bar, and what you're going to do is just push this out of the way a little bit. And maybe somebody did brakes on this, because the brakes do look brand new. You want to make sure that this backing plate is out of the way. Alright, now let's spin it and see if we still hear that noise. Oh yeah. That, I know this noise. I know this noise. Guys, if you hear this right here, let's hear that one more time. That is the bearings inside the hub bearing. Now, to prove this, what we're going to do is let this side down, jack up the other side, and spin the other side. And with a bad bearing, yes, it can cause it. And the bearings might not be, well, we can move it right now, but we can definitely feel it when we're driving. So, let me jack the other side up, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, we got the passenger side jacked up now, and what I want to do is spin it as well. Alright, you want to get close with the mic, and here we go. The noise not there. I mean, I'm hearing the brakes so close to the rotor, but yep. There you go, guys. We are guaranteed now. And guys, I noticed something here that when Sylvia just said that she had the tires rotated, but the noise was still there. And I'm seeing new pins inside the calipers. Get my light on. If you look right there, the shiny little spot right there, those are pins, and it looks like we got new brake pads upstairs. So maybe somebody told her she needed brake pads, but it wasn't the brake. Good morning, how you doing?
Good, how are you all?
Great.
Good.
So it looks like, and actually if you look right between this wheel, right between the spoke right there, down there, you can see actually see how thick the brake pads are. Hey, how's it going? Good morning.
All right, y'all doing well?
Doing great. How about you?
Doing fine.
You can see it? Or is it too much light on?
What am I looking at? Oh, I think I see it. Yeah, I see it.
See how thick that brake pad is?
Yeah.
That's brand new. So somebody thought it was brakes and they changed the brakes on it. But it's not. We got a bad bearing. So there you go, guys. We got a bad bearing, and we're going to let the customer know, and we're going to see if we're going to be doing it. We'll be right back.
Alright, so today we had a 2007 Lexus LS460.
Look at them shades. Yeah, boy.
Oh my.
We got a superstar in the house.
Okay. And the customer said she felt a shake and she could hear a noise coming from the front. So we found that it was a hub bearing. Is it a hub?
That sounds good. Oh,
A hub bearing? Okay. So we're gonna talk to the customer, and I'm pretty sure she's gonna want it done. So make sure you look for that repair video. Alright, but in the meantime, if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.